Dear Francis, you are K24CO 2005. This is experiment number 1A. And this is a machine learning laboratory. So here, what I've done is, so I have imported some packages from Python. And from the first value that I'm loading a data set into a data structure. And this allows me to analyze the data and manipulate it. So first, I'm reading the data by importing a CSV file, and second, I display a first and I display the first and last 5 rows of the data set, and in the third, I check the shape of the data set to know how many records are present or how many features are available. And and next, I separate the columns into two types, categorical columns and numerical columns. Categorical columns, which are text-based data like names or types or anything, and numericals are like integer and decimal values. This is important because different types need different analysis methods. And the fifth one, for each numerical column, I calculate the minimum value, the maximum value, and the mode, which is the most frequent value. And the next is I check for the missing or null values in each column. So missing values or any null values can affect the analysis. So identifying them is more important before further processing. And for the seventh one, I am generating a statistical summary, which includes the minimum, first quartile, median, and third quartile and maximum. And the next one is I use Z-score to detect outliers. It measure the meaning of outliers is it measures how far a value is from the mean. So values with Z-score greater than 3 are considered as outliers. And the next one is analyzing the relationship between the numerical values, numerical variables. Like positive correlation means variable increases together, and negative correlation means one increases while the other decreases. And the next one is I'm creating a heat map to visualize the correlation values. So the dark colors represent the strong relationships. And the next one is I measure the skewness to understand the data distribution. So positive skew, negative skew, and zero skew. So the next one is I plot histograms for numerical platforms to see, numerical features to see. And the next one is I'm creating a scatter plot for categorical data and numerical data. And uh, it, bivariate is used to analyze relationship between two variables like scatter plot and box plot. So multivariate analysis is used to pair plots to analyze multiple variables together. So this is the first experiment, which consists of data.